Political intrigue in Zimbabwe is heating up. Here's what you need to know. Zimbabwe's information minister, Gen. Muswere, has dismissed claims of a power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Amidst rumors of Chiwenga's aspirations to succeed Mnangagwa, Muswere emphasized that the president's position is secure. Muswere reaffirmed Mnangagwa's mandate after his re-election in 2023, stating, "His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa was democratically elected by millions of Zimbabweans, and his term of office is still running." He further dismissed rumors of discord as the misdirected energies of half-wits on social media. The upcoming ZANU-PF conference will focus on economic issues, with Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube set to provide an economic update. Despite skipping IMF meetings, Ncube's presence underscores the conference's importance. The government remains committed to Vision 2030 and improving the lives of Zimbabweans, with Muswere warning that those spreading rumors of a leadership rift will face legal action. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor the political landscape in Zimbabwe. Thanks for watching.